Relax into your physical body. Take a deep breath. Deep breath. Good. And I want you to feel into the high frequency human collective. I want you to feel that expression within Gaia. And of course, Gaia is included in this field, expression of the high frequency human collective, and that field of awareness that is you. Step into it. Allow everything else to fall away and just be that expression, be that grandness, be that expanded awareness. Feel the love. Allow that energy, that chi, that power that we experience as love. Feel it. Allow it to flow through you, through your physical body, through all of that you are. Allow it to flow, to be, to wash away everything else. Allow yourself to receive that chi, that power, that love. Finally, allow that to express within you. Yes, I am this high frequency human collective. Yes, I am loved, cared for, supported, encouraged, nourished with this larger me, larger us. Feel the joy, feel and hear the laughter, the welcome, feel the embrace. Finally, you're here. Finally, we are us again. Feel that love. Be open to receiving and being that larger self. Feel that love and bring it back with you into your physical body. And express to your physical body all that love, all that chi. And receive that from your physical body that is the same. The physical body, elemental collective, that high frequency expression, the physical body elementals collective. Finally, it says, welcome. We love you. We adore you. And you adore it and them. Throughout time and space, you travel together in love and collaboration, expansion, joy, creating new paths in the universes, retaking this planet into its natural frequency, joining with that intelligence, that collective knowingness that supports, that loves, that wants the absolutely best for you and expects the best from you. Because you are it and it is you. with that feeling of yourself, your collective, and your physical body and your physical body collective. Imagine and feel how those connections, those threads are reconnecting, coming back together again. Strength in strength and power and joy. And allow that to exist with that energy. Come back to present time because it's all happening now. Back to your body, back to your life, and bring that energy with you as part of your new experience on earth. Every day. Take a deep breath. And you can breathe in and out this reality, this truthfulness. Feel it. You're loved. You are love. We love you. And you love us. When you're ready, you may open your eyes. Welcome home.